Good day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am African Prince AREX. In this video, I'm going to continue from where I stopped in my previous video. We have been discussing the theoretical aspect of this video from the part 1, the part 2, and the part 3. And in this part 4, we are going to be dealing with the practical aspect. Please note this thing. It's very, very important. If you are watching me as a student, probably you are from APS SKILLUP Institute, you are from NYSC SKILLUP Challenge, you are from African Prince AREX Academy, or you are from all other courses or all other skills that I teach online, and you are watching this particular video and you want to submit your practical to me, you can actually send it to my DM on WhatsApp, because you should have my number like that. But if you are watching this particular video from external area, probably you are just watching it randomly from YouTube and you are one of my subscribers, not my students yet, but you would love to participate in this particular practical that I'm about to start in this particular video, you need to just click on the link in the description of my profile. Once you click on that particular link, it's going to reach you directly to me. Just tell me who you are and then tell me you want to submit your practical so that I can follow you up from there and then teach you all other things you may be needing in the long run. If you are a new subscriber, do well to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for what you have been doing. I really love you so much because you have been the one growing my channel with the help of God and with the help of you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I started this my YouTube channel just last month and I've been able to have 73 subscribers. Thank you so much, because what I do online is to teach people how to make money online with different skills. I teach people how to start a blog. I teach people how to create a website. I teach people how to write Amazon KDP. I teach people affiliate marketing. I teach people lots more, even how to create a faceless YouTube channel. And there are lots and lots of benefits you can learn from this particular channel. If you are just joining my channel or you are just coming across my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and pick out from all these videos, valuable videos, and learn from them and start making money online without anybody disturbing you. And if you want a one-on-one section from me directly, you want me to teach you any other skills based on what I teach and the video is not currently here and you want to learn it very well and very perfectly, do well to send me a DM by clicking the link in this my description. Once you click on this particular link, you are going to get directly to me and I'm going to teach you everything you want me to teach you, one after the other. And you can also send me a direct mail through my email, africanprincearex@gmail.com. I'll be willing to teach you everything you want me to teach you, one after the other. But guess what? It's not free, but it's not too cost. It's affordable for you as a beginner. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get started into the practical of this training. Mastering how to use AI tool. That is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing the practical here. So you that you are watching it, you are also going to do the practical and then submit the screenshot to my DM on WhatsApp. You need to submit the screenshots to my DM on WhatsApp for me to preview what you have done and for me to tell you to do some necessary adjustments and correction. So the AI tool we are going to be using is called ChatGPT. So let's head straight to ChatGPT now to create an account or to use this particular ChatGPT to start writing what we want to write. Now, here on ChatGPT, if you don't have an account, just go to chat.openai.com. Just click on chat.openai.com. You are going to open an account. Just register with your email and then your phone number, I think. Then you go to get to this particular area. Now, once you get to this particular section of ChatGPT, if you are watching me from African Prince AREX or you are one of my students or you are buying any of my courses and you want to implement this particular thing, once you open this ChatGPT, just send me the screenshots for confirmation, and then if it is fine, just get on to do what I want to teach you now. So you are going to write me a comprehensive article on, I'm going to be using fashion designer for me, but you that you are going to be sending me the practical, you are going to send me your own topic, your own keyword, not fashion design. You have to use another keyword. So you are going to type to ChatGPT, write me a comprehensive article on your topic. So once you type your topic, allow ChatGPT to write everything for you, one after the other. But mind you, there is something that is very important that you need to note in article, and all those 4 things must appear if you are going to be working for your clients. Now, the first thing that must appear in your article is the introduction. This is like our topic, our keyword, our headline. The first thing they are going to see, that is the topic. Now, after the topic, the next thing you need to note is that your article must have introduction. As you can see here that we have introduction. The second thing that your article must have is the body of the article. The third thing that the article must have is the frequently asked question of your article. And the last thing your article must have is the conclusion of your article, all those 4 things must appear in your article. If they are not in your article is not complete. And you remember, I said I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about article in this training, just like I have started in my part 1, part 2, part 3. And this is the practical aspect of it. You need to note all those 4 things that they must be there. ChatGPT is going to give us only 3. The reason being that we don't use AI to write articles for clients. I'm just using this AI for the practical aspect of this training. When we get to the real way to write article in our level 2 of this training, I'm going to teach you how to write article perfectly. But I need to use this one as a format so that you can know everything it takes to write an article. Now, let's go through what ChatGPT has written for us. It has written the introductory part. It has written the body of our article. What is fashion designer? That is the body. Key element of fashion designer. That is the body. Types of fashion design. That is the body. Do you get that now? The fashion design process, that is the body of an article. So we are expecting a frequently asked question before the concluding part, but ChatGPT will not give us frequently asked question. But I'm going to be teaching you how to get your frequently asked question in our level 2 when I'm teaching you the exact way to write article for clients. Now, the next thing that we need to have after the frequently asked question is our conclusion. Now that we now have the complete article that ChatGPT has written for us, that it has excluded the frequently asked question, let's just assume it is complete, and let's assume that there is frequently asked question. The next thing you want to do, getting to this particular stage that ChatGPT have written this thing for you, just send the screenshot. Send the screenshot to my DM on WhatsApp. Let me give it a confirmation and check what you have done. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to now copy all your article. Just click here to copy, or you actually highlight everything and then copy all your article. So once you copy it from here, where you are going to paste your article now is copying to your Notepad. If you don't have a Notepad on your smartphone, you can actually download a Notepad on Play Store. And if you have a Notepad on your phone, after ChatGPT have generated your article for you, just copy everything and then paste everything on your Notepad. Now, the article that ChatGPT has written for us, let us paste it on our Notepad. Open my Notepad here. Once I open my Notepad, this is my Notepad, then I'm going to paste everything on my Notepad. So these are the article that ChatGPT have written for us, one after the other. So you can see everything here now. Now that you have gotten to this particular level, you need to send a screenshot of this particular Notepad to my DM. If you are any of my students watching from any of my students, probably I am the one that directed you to watch this particular video, or you are just watching it from outside or external, you just came across my channel and you are learning from this particular video. Do well to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you submit this practical into my DM. For you to get my DM, you can just click it from the description of my profile, or if you have my number, just send it directly to my DM and indicate your name and your APS code if you are one of my students. Now that you have done this particular one, now the next thing we want to do is word counter app strategy. That is the next thing we want to do. You remember in our previous video when I was talking about the standard length of an article, where I said that it ranges from 700 words to 1,500 words, that we are going to be writing that particular amount of words. You are going to be charging your initial price. And if anybody requests you to write more than that, you are going to be charging more than the price you are always charging. So how do you now know the number of words that you are going to be writing for your client? That is where this strategy comes in. This strategy is going to help you to know the number of words you have written so that you don't overwrite or you don't underwrite for your clients. So the website we are going to be using is called wordcounter.com. So for you to get your wordcounter.com, we want to check the words that is on our Notepad. We are going to copy everything and then we are going to go to this wordcounter.com to paste it to check whether the number of words is still limited and is still within 1,500 words, or it is over 1,500 words. So let's head straight to this particular website. To go to your Chrome browser and type just type wordcount.com. Once you type wordcount.com, the interface is going to open like this. You can see there are a lot of things you can learn from this website. You can actually know the number of words, you can know the number of characters, you can know character without space, you can know syllables, you can know sentence, you can know paragraph, you can know reading time, and lots more. So we are going to paste our article here to check the number of words we have, or the number of words that ChatGPT has generated for us. So let's paste it here and check. Now, after pasting it, you can see we already have how many words? 1,065 words. So this simply means that we are still within the normal range of our standard length of article. So if I I am to be writing this particular article for clients, I charge nothing less than 5,000 to write number of words like this. And if it is more than this 1,500 words, I'm going to be charging more than my initial price. So as a beginner, as an article writer, if you are going to be writing number of words that ranges between 700 words to 1,500 words, as a beginner, you cannot charge 5,000, and it may charge more than 5,000. It depends on your standard and the level of your write-up. As at now that I'm making this particular video, I do not charge 5,000 again. I am now charging higher prices, because I remember when I start charging with 1,500, and I started increasing. The more I get more clients, I charge 2,000, I charge 3,000, I charge 5,000. Now, presently, I charge more than 5,000 to write article that worth 700 words to 1,500 words. So as a beginner, you can also start small and then you grow big. Now that you have gotten the word counter strategy, the next thing we now want to talk about now is that before we talk about the next thing, if you have practiced this particular one too and it works out for you, send the screenshot to my DM or to the particular group you are watching me from if you are from my students. And if you are external and you want me to check your work, do well to screenshot it and send it directly to my DM. So the next thing we want to talk about is introduction to QUILBOT tool. That is the next thing we want to talk about. Now, introduction to QUILBOT tool is the next thing we want to talk about. After we have using ChatGPT to generate our article, we have already copied that article to our Notepad. We have then checked the number of words that our article is. Now, we want to talk about the introduction of QUILBOT tool. Now, QUILBOT tool is a tool that we use to make our article to look unique. Probably we are getting our article from anywhere online. This particular tool is a powerful tool that we are going to be using to make our article unique. We have the paraphrasing tool, we have the grammar checker tool, and we have the plagiarism checker tool. These are the tools that we are going to be using to paraphrase our article. We are also going to be using it to check the grammar, and we are also going to be using it to check the plagiarism, whether we have copied this particular work from somebody else or from our own. So how do we use all these tools one after the other? If you don't want to miss out on how to use this tool one after the other, that simply means that you need to be in the level 2 of this particular training, because this is the end of the level 1 training. If you have gotten value from this particular video, do well to like my video and subscribe to my channel, because there are lot of benefits you are going to be gaining from this particular channel. I am African Prince AREX once again. I'll see you in the level 2, where I'm going to be showing you how to paraphrase this article, how to check the grammar, how to check the plagiarism, and how to write the real article. Because after we are done checking the grammar, we are done paraphrasing it, and we are done checking the plagiarism, there is one important thing that we need to do after that time, and I'm going to be sharing you everything in the level 2 of this particular training. Do well to like my video, and I'll see you in my next video where we talk about the level 2 of this training. Thank you so much for watching. I am African Prince AREX again. Have a nice day. Bye for now.